It is so wonderful. So wonderful. Blue. Look at that. Depends on what you're in the mood for, I say. Yellow. But for watching this, red. Now, here goes this. The brightness of it. You can lower the brightness, or you can increase the brightness of it. Check it out. Check it out. Watch it go. At night, we usually go a little bit dimmer because, you know, who wants that? Look at the beauty of that. If you haven't made this purchase and you're looking for a TV stand, not only that, I want you to watch this. This TV stand swivels with just a touch of my finger. Check it out. Sitting on the other side of the room. Look at that thing rock back and forth, baby. It's stable and it raises up to a good height. So if I'm sitting here on my couch, or sitting over there in those chairs, everybody has a view. Everybody. Go buy this thing.
Honey, are you sure about this?
Definitely. In between classes, I can put up posters and hand out pamphlets.
The more people that know Gus is missing, the better. I know, honey, but you've already been doing so much. Your dad and I are worried about you. I'm the last thing that you need to.
So I definitely love my new TV stand. Isn't it so cute, guys? Isn't it? Love it.
covering some.
All right. That's great.
That is so cool.
I know. I like that. How much?
We gotta find him right now. He's a night feeder. On the water? Well, if we're looking for a shark, we're not gonna find him on the land.
Yeah, but I'm not drunk enough to go out the boat.
Yeah,